Hello YouTube, I'm just making a quick video because I've had an interesting problem on my BMW 5 Series. So, very common for these cars to have the ABS module go out. I've had a few of these cars, I never had it happen, but this is the first vehicle I've had problems like this, so I sent out the module to get repaired. And these guys were very quick, very good communication too with them. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this back on and see what happens. As you can see, it's just 6 screws that hold the module on. I think it's T15 screws. Not my favorite choice of tool size, but you know, it was easy to get in and off. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this and you know, follow up. Part. Gotta line up all those things, and it seems to all be good, and it just slides back in like that. Now I just gotta put the screws on. I got them all right there. Okay, a couple screws later, the module is back on. Now I just need to put this plug back in, and there we go, it's plugged in. Well, I mean, I don't need a filter on just to start it up and see if the lights go away. I'm gonna get my tools out of there, but aside from that, I think we're ready to give her a little crank. Just my scanner, just in case I need that. Come on, there we go. Never don't put the battery. Okay. Oh, ABS light went away. Service light still on. Brake light still on. Engine failsafe is still on. I will plug in my scanner and reset it. See what happens. Transmission failsafe, of course. All right, let me unplug that. Actually, hit my traction control button. Nope, everything's still okay. Let me go ahead and do that. Okay. Beep it up, come on. Today would be nice. Well, sadly, this is a automatic, but not touring. I believe this is the correct one. USA specs. Yep, understand. So let's clear all this crap out of the way. Read it. Yeah, cam timeout. Yep, all the CAN bus codes. Goodbye. That's one. Engine. Do I want to read it? Sure, let's see what it says. ABS module, what you got? Rotation transversal sensor salvation. No message from EGS control unit. Alright, goodbye codes. Let's read the codes. Yay! We got one more module we gotta check. At least with this little scanner that I can do. Airbag. Oh, I already know the airbag's off. Oh, well, whatever, just in case. I'm already have plugged in. Why not? Let's see. No codes. Great. All right. Well, all the lights just turned off. Oh, yep, airbag's still checking. Okay. Red lights on. Handbrake up. No, that's not why. Press brakes. Oh, that's good. My low beam. They worked last time. Ooh, got some oil on the pulley there. Turn it off and back on and see what happens. Yeah, I know how much gas I have now. Alright. Let's pull it out. Back in. Still a brake light on. I gotta see why that is. Maybe one of the sensors. Well, my those are fine. Maybe one of the middle ones? Engine failsafe. Sounds good to me. Okay, well, let's play with it. Chassis, ABS. Which sensor is giving me troubles? Read codes. No codes. No codes, but I have a brake light on. Interesting. And the axle sounds good. Okay guys, well, gonna have to check the sensors and the wires to them, see if any of them are caught up. And then the coolant bottle has the freaking sensor just fell to the bottom, so that's why it comes on. But no more ABS, so that's good. No more ABS. Look at that.